Hi, welcome to my channel. I have a Chanel reveal for you guys. So let's get started with unboxing. This is the paper bag, the box, and this is the receipt. Okay. There's the box. I already opened it. The dust bag, the ribbon, and the booklet. And here's my bag. It's the mini Coco handle with shiny ruthenium hardware. This out, and this is how it looks inside with burgundy cloth interior. This is made in Italy, and it comes with the authenticity card. This is the 28 series from the 19K collection, winter collection. Put this back. This is how the chain strap looks like. It has a leather strap to protect your shoulder, and it is detachable. So this is how it looks at the back, side, and the bottom. There. Okay, now let's check how it looks on me. Okay, let's try this on. You can carry it handheld like this in your arm. Shoulder bag, but I don't think you can carry it as a crossbody because you're going to have a hard time opening it. There. Thank you so much for watching my first video. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.